Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Acne removal creams are a popular choice for people who suffer from acne. They work by removing the oil and bacteria which cause acne. While there are many different types of acne creams are available in the market, each one has its own specific benefits as well as weak points. That is why we have shared the list of top 5 best acne creams available in the market. All these brands are available online. Please check description for latest price and discount. If you are new to our channel, then please like the video and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe.